Our third and final honoree is an absolute force in the entertainment philanthropy space, Michelle Sugihara. As the Executive Director of CAPE, Coalition of Asian Pacifics in Entertainment, Michelle has led the charge to lift up underrepresented voices and create pathways for the next generation of Asian artists, writers, and leaders in entertainment. Her work magnifies the importance of representation in decision-making by the gatekeepers of the industry and embodies CAPE's mission, which is so critical to all of us and the future of our industry, to champion diversity by educating, connecting, and empowering AAPI artists and leaders in entertainment and media. A true champion, there are countless ways Michelle makes an impact on our community and on the future. Just to name a few, she speaks across the country on Asian representation in media, women in entertainment, diversity and inclusion, leadership, and more. She's a founding member of the Asian Pacific American Friends of the Theater and former co-chair of the Multicultural Bar Alliance of Southern California. This is in addition to her participation in countless other nonprofit organizations and associations, and she even teaches improv comedy. And I'm gonna go off script for a second because, we're all in this very small community going to a lot of these events together, and Michelle is at every single one. Not just for the AAPI community, but for many other underrepresented communities. She is there, sitting in the wings, supporting, truly the embodiment of an awe champion. We're not the first to recognize Michelle, and we certainly won't be the last. She has also been a recipient of the City of Los Angeles RISE Award, which stands for Recognizing Inspiring Individuals Who Elevate and Empower, and the KTLA 5 AAPI Visionaries Award, among many others. So please join me in celebrating our longtime friend and partner, awe champion, Michelle Sugihara.
Hold on tight, she says. Sorry. It's heavy. It's heavy. But thank you so much, Asia Society. And as Kathy mentioned, I am Michelle Sugihara, and I get to be the Executive Director of CAPE, the Coalition of Asian Pacifics in Entertainment, where for the past 32 years, we have championed Asian and Pacific Islander representation in Hollywood, both behind and in front of the screen. And we do this work in 3 ways. So one is through our pathway programs, like our Writers Fellowship, our Leaders Fellowship for Executives. We have now one for animation and many others. And so really it's to help people get into the system and stay there and work their way up to have sustainable careers. The second way we do it is through our training and consulting work. We consult with a lot of studios and networks to help them with their scripts and teach them about the various stereotypes and why it's so harmful when they perpetuate it for our communities. And the final way is through promotion of projects, because it is such a feat. When a project actually gets made, it's really important for all of us to go out and support it, because that's the only way that we will continue to get more. And so at CAPE, we say we are changing representation from the writer's room to the boardroom to your living room. Now, this award means a lot to me because I remember when All launched, and I was so excited to have this space and so grateful for Asia Society, Janet Yang, and Katie Sue for creating this space for Asian women to thrive together. So thank you for that. And many people don't realize that CAPE is run by a small but mighty team of only 4 women. And 3 of them are here, Rianne Moore, Grace Kao, and Jess Boo. So I really want to give them the acknowledgement and love that they all deserve, because it's because of all the hard work that they do that I'm able to stand up here and speak to all of you. So in closing, I just want to thank everyone, and I will continue to look to people like Anjali Sharan, Julia Gao, Janet Yang, Katie Sue, Kathy Lebakis, Sophia Yen, Chunyan Chen, Maya Shibutani, and so many others who continue to inspire me every day and I hope to continue to follow in their footsteps and continue to be worthy of this award. Thank you so much.